Hey, what's going on? It's Mickey from Santon Audio. Quick little update on March 16th. We're right in the middle of this coronavirus epidemic, pandemic, whatever you want to call it. For now, we're going to stay open. We haven't been told to close, though I just got a message from my mom on the phone saying that apparently bars and nightclubs are shutting down in Toronto anyway, so it might be, might be imminent that we're going to be told that we can't open. At least for now, we're going to stay open with reduced business hours. We're going to open from 12 to 4, Tuesday to Friday, or Tuesday to Saturday. So until we're told otherwise, those will be our hours. If you have any questions, give us a shout, 905-475-2038, or email info@santonaudio.ca. It's pretty wild, unprecedented stuff, but I think we'll get through it.